Philips Ambilight TV 65OLED plus 951. Main features are Philips Ambilight TV 65OLED plus 951 is a flagship premium television designed to offer an immersive, high-end viewing and gaming experience. Named the ASA Best Premium OLED TV. It combines next-generation panel technology with Philips's most advanced environmental lighting. Four-sided Ambilight halo. Integrated LED arrays run along all four rear edges of the TV frame. They dynamically track on-screen colors to cast an expansive light show on the wall behind the TV, making the screen feel significantly larger. Ambiscape synchronization, a standout smart lighting feature that allows the TV to interface directly with wireless smart bulbs, like Philips Hue or Nanoleaf. It extends the screen's atmospheric colors across the entire living room. 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, driven by the MediaTek Pentonic 800 chipset. This model upgrades to 4 full-bandwidth HDMI 2.1 sockets, allowing you to hook up multiple modern consoles without shifting cables. 165 Hz refresh rate. Supports ultra-smooth, high frame rate gameplay up to a native 165 Hz at 4K resolution. Ultra-low reflectance. Built with a premium anti-reflective coating that drastically lowers screen glare down to just 0.3% reflectance, successfully blocking over 99% of ambient reflections. 10th Gen P5 AI dual engine. Employs twin AI processors for advanced video rendering, exceptional specular highlight enhancement, and V4 Smart Bit Noise Reduction. Dolby Vision 2 Max adapts and optimizes dark tones and contrast dynamically on the fly based on real-time room lighting conditions. 2nd Gen Tandem WOLD Meta 4.0 features a 4-layer stack structure that pushes brightness to a massive 4,500 nits of peak brightness and 400 nits full-screen white luminance, while covering 99.5% of the DCI-P3 color gamut.